ham radio. Now I'm working on that 15 meter band dipole, but I'm going to put it together with 20 meter dipole, and I'm going to have the 2015 maypole antenna, or fan dipole, whatever you want to call it. Everybody got a different name for it. And I'm using the LDG. Yeah, the wind's blowing a little bit, but here it is. LDG balun, 1-to-1, rated for 200 watts peak envelope power. And I got the banana plug on top. But I was a little concerned about the banana plug once you get the antenna up in the air in inverted V, and because of the winds and things like this, that this LDG will eventually slip out and fall to the ground, and there you go. Yeah, if you use a banana plug with an LDG, put a zip tie over top of it, you know, and come around the bottom like that and over the top. But anyways, I built that 4-to-1 antenna. I shipped that to my nephew out there, and he threw it up a little bit and hooked up his SWR meter, and it's like 10, 17, 20, 40 extra class band, real good SWRs. 6 meter was, 15 meters wasn't good. Okay, 12 meters I think was good for him. So let's call it, you want to do a 4-to-1 multi-band antenna, talk to old Billy Bob, Anaheim HRO down there. That's who gave me the idea. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm making a portable antenna 2015. So hopefully you'll be firing this up pretty soon. Alright, anyhow, end of my video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. But if you can find a W2DU balun, 1-to-1, it'll handle legal limit, get it. But I don't think HRO don't have it no more. I don't know where they're at. I had 2 of them. One got stolen. You know, people entering our country and the government says it's okay and they're not being checked out. Well, that's the kind of people that stole my stuff. Alright, anyhow, too bad I couldn't send them a bill for it. Anyways, yeah. But my nephew, he had a banana plug, but it didn't have that orange plastic, red plastic, what color it looks to you. But he put it up, stretched it out, he kind of pulled it. I don't know if he bent it here or here. So you definitely want to, if you use a banana plug, make sure it has this orange deal because it makes it stronger. If you could fix this to something solid, okay, if you can fix that to solid, maybe a piece of plexiglass, then make it wider than this, like this. Maybe drill 2 holes in and feed your wire in, then out, and over to your balun. That's the way it'll lock in, okay? Alright. That's what he should have did. He should have stuck a loop on both sides, put a zip tie in there to hold, so it would take the pressure instead of the banana plugs. Anyhow, it's a cool little idea. Well, I would definitely, if you're going to want to put up an antenna using this balun, if you're going to use a banana plug, because you can put 12 gauge wire in there, okay, and it'll lock on tight. You got to, if you're going to use a 14 gauge wire, you got to fold the wire over a little bit, then put it in. Alright, anyhow, end of my video. Anyways, I had like a 1.6, so I gotta get the band chart out and see what all my frequency is, privileges, and find that local, what the activity I like, and tune it. So I'm not gonna try and readjust it down to 1-to-1. I'm gonna get the 20 meter and the 15 meter up in the air together, then I'll retune the antenna. So I'm not gonna run no more than 100 watts into this. It says peak envelope power. You know, when you see mobile antennas, I know guys who are engineers and stuff, and it used to be dB and they changed it to dBi. They say the dBi is not a true reading. dB is a true reading on gain. So a lot of that sales talk anyways. But alright, I'll catch you later. Bye bye.